Hey YouTubers, review on my chrome shotgun I got for $5. I know it's a piece of crap. Don't leave hateful comments. I'll be getting dboys Full Metal SD soon. I don't know when, but I will. But here it is. I'd say, I don't know how many FPS it is. They said it was 300, but I doubt it. I can't even penetrate him. I have to do that. Alright, so this is a gun. Big, blazing, orange tip, ugly, very ugly. Fake chrome, but it looks nice though. Looks nice. Lighter than I did. Shit thing. It has no clip. Gravity fed. BBs right there. Using I believe they are. Got these a couple of years, or a year or so ago. Ultrasonic. Ultrasonic green BBs. They're nice. How you load the gun, basically, or charge gun. Pull back, cock, single action. Let's pump. So let's do a distance test. I don't know if you can see this too well. The woods right there, back there. First, let's shoot try to hit that box. Got it, actually. Let's use a can. Arizona. Yeah, my bad. So a chrono test. I believe if you goes in point blank, it's at least 300. Here goes point blank. I don't think actually think they tried it. Surprise! Let's do it again. No, it's not. That would be not for sure. But it's something. I'd say it's on there. Choose something. Not too powerful. I know this video's long, but alright, bye.